Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to set face unlock in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your tablet, just go to the settings here, then go to security here, and here select face recognition, and it will ask your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. Just give it. Now you have to click on continue and keep your tablet in front of you. So just I keep like this. I am registering. Just wait. Ensure that you should use sufficient light. Yes, see here, it has been registered, and click on done. Now lock your tablet and try to unlock with face. Yes, it has been successfully registered and checked. So in this way you can easily set face unlock in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.